Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's exploration of the solar system, we are going to talk about the Mars Science Laboratory, also known as the Curiosity rover, and its exploration of the red planet. Mars has long captured our imagination. It's a planet that looks familiar, yet fundamentally different than Earth. But one of the most important questions we can ask about Mars isn't whether it looks like Earth, it's whether Mars could ever have supported life. To investigate this question, Mars launched the Mars Science Laboratory, better known as Curiosity. Curiosity wasn't designed to search directly for life. Instead, its mission was more fundamental: to determine whether Mars ever had conditions suitable for life. That meant studying water, chemistry, geology, and environmental changes over time. Curiosity was built to act as a mobile laboratory, capable of conducting detailed scientific analysis directly on the Martian surface. Curiosity launched in 2011 and landed on Mars in 2012 using a daring new landing system known as the Sky Crane. This approach allowed a rover far larger and heavier than any before it to be placed gently on the surface. From its landing site inside Gale Crater, Curiosity began a long-term investigation of Mars's ancient environment. One of Curiosity's most important findings was evidence that Mars once had long-lasting liquid water. The rover discovered ancient lake beds, clay minerals formed in water, chemical ingredients essential for life. The results showed that early Mars was not always the cold, dry world that we see today. Instead, it once offered environments that could have supported microbial life. Curiosity was designed for a primary mission of 2 years. More than a decade later, it is still exploring Mars. As it climbs the slopes of Mount Sharp, Curiosity continues to uncover how Mars changed over time, from a wetter past to the harsh environment we observe today. Curiosity reminds us that understanding habitability doesn't require finding life itself. It requires careful study of environments, chemistry, and change over time. By revealing that Mars was once a world where life could have existed, Curiosity has reshaped how we think about Mars and about habitability beyond Earth. So that concludes this week's discussion on the Mars Science Laboratory, the Curiosity rover. We'll be back again next week for another exploration of the solar system video. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.